Mm.
Pagkaalis natin na.
Hmm? So, ito daw, ano daw? Ito?
Ano?
Nakalimutan ko itong ano yung herb na ito eh. So, this is sambong. There is lime, like kaffir leaves. There's oregano. There's tanglad. This is ano, lagundi.
Lagundi.
There's bay leaves.
Ayun.
May laurel. Sambong. Hibiscus. Yellow bell. Camomilla. Another hibiscus. Ang galing. I don't know what kind of flower this is. Bay leaves. May pandan. Bango. Oh my God, ang bango. Perla, say hi. Ate Pearl. Enjoy na enjoy siya, Ate Perla. Ang sarap.
Sarap buhay.
Strawberry sparkling. Trying to catch up because I've been in the Philippines for almost 8 months and I never went anywhere. The first out of town that I went to is in Coron, where we did a medical mission. And then here, I have not gone anywhere. So, trying to catch up for the last time because I'm going back to the US in July. Though I'm not looking forward to it, but I gotta go back. My husband's there, so. And I think I've already took care of the things that I needed to take care of, fix things and stuff, but I can't be too far gone or too I can't stay away for too long because Bacchus needs me. I don't want him to get depressed. Such a good sweet boy. So I'll come back probably in a few months again. So, but anyway, this is what we do in the Philippines. I mean, in America, this is gonna cost you an arm and a leg. With this one, for an hour, herbal bath is $999. That's including the massage for an hour. So go figure. That's like 20 bucks. Less than 20 bucks. For an hour bath with all this herbal and flowers and an hour massage. So you tell me where you can get a deal like that. Oh God, I almost dropped my phone. Anyway, I'm going back tomorrow. Gotta pick up some tuba, you know, the vinegar tuba, because that's the only reason why I actually came here. But Ate Pearl and I made some plans to do this, so might as well, because I came here and then I got lost and it took me 2 hours and 43 minutes to get here, because it took me like round and round and round the mountains and everything, in between rocks and in between mountains. Almost 3 hours. It was like it took longer to get here than going coming from Agoncillo to BGC. This BGC I only drive it by like 2 hours to 2 hours and 15 minutes, and I'm in BGC. But here it's 2 hours and 43 minutes, and it's only Batangas. But I've learned the hard way. So anyway, just gonna enjoy and go home tomorrow. Gotta pick up some stuff and go from there. I miss my Bacos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And I highly suggest this place. It's called La Soledad Wellness and Spa. People are very accommodating. They're very nice. And the place is really cool and calming and clean, and it's very nice, really. So you guys should try it. It's really nice. Highly recommended. Right at the Pearl? At the Pearl?
Yes.
Highly recommended. La Soledad, right? Say yes. Okay,
Thank
good.
you very much.
Mm-hmm.